This is Innovalia.
Hello and welcome. In this video, I am going to show you how to withdraw funds from WazirX wallet into your bank account. The bank account that you have registered within your WazirX account. Alright. So first, let us open WazirX wallet or the app. I am going to open the desktop app. Click on this maximize button to maximize the window. Go to this fund section. Now I have 1010 rupees here into my INR wallet. Alright. All I have to do is click on this withdraw button to withdraw the amount into my bank account. Now there are two options for withdrawal. One is instant withdrawal, another is NEFT withdrawal. If you do this NEFT withdrawal, you are going to be charged 5 rupees per transaction. But if you do this instant withdrawal, which is like an IMPS transaction, it would cost you 10 rupees per transaction. It's actually also a kind of UPI transaction, but I believe it's mainly an IMPS transaction, which is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week and 365 days a year. Alright. As it is an instant withdrawal, so it costs more than the NEFT withdrawal, which is available only during the banking hours and weekdays. Alright. So I'm going to use this instant withdrawal option, which is the most recommended option. I always use this option, though it costs 10 rupees per transaction, but it's okay with me. All I have to do is click on this option. Now you are only going to see this option bank account verified if you have verified your bank account within WazirX wallet or the WazirX app. To do this, you have to add your bank account into your WazirX app, and then it's going to verify your account. And once your account has been verified, you can make deposits or withdrawals from WazirX to your bank account. Alright. I already have verified my bank account, so I can transfer funds from WazirX wallet into my bank account. Now there are two ways in which you can withdraw this amount. You can directly enter the amount that you wish to withdraw, like 1000, or I can click on this withdraw all option to withdraw the entire amount that is available in WazirX wallet. So I'm going to click on this withdraw all and withdraw the entire amount into my bank account. You can also add remarks like this is from WazirX, and then click on withdraw to withdraw the amount. A fee of rupees 10 will be charged and you will receive 1000 INR into your bank account. Are you sure you want to withdraw? Confirm. Click on this button. Again, you have to authorize this transaction by going to your Google Authenticator app. Once you have entered the code, you can click on Authenticate to authenticate the transaction. Now you'd also have to confirm the request by going to your email. Please check your email and confirm your withdrawal request. Let me click on OK. On your email, you will be receiving a confirmation email where you have to click on approve this withdrawal button to approve the transaction. Once you have confirmed the transaction by clicking on the link that has been sent on your email by WazirX, the verification will be successfully completed and you will see that the balance has been withdrawn from your WazirX wallet into your bank account, and you can also check this under your transfer history. See? The amount of 1000 has been withdrawn to your bank on this date. The status is showing done. That means it has been withdrawn. Alright. I have successfully received the amount into my bank account. I have received the message. So it is transferred instantly into your bank account. It is so fast that you can get it instantly, right? Within seconds into your bank account. Alright. So this is how we can withdraw funds from WazirX wallet into our registered bank account. Stay tuned for more tutorials on cryptocurrencies. Until then, keep trading, stay safe, and thank you.